The port is quiet and everything feels forgotten. Something big is left here broken and unused. This Toyota TSG 9900 all-reach stacker badly damaged. Its hydraulic system is broken and leaking oil. The lifting arm cannot hold containers anymore. The tires are worn out after years of use. The cabin is damaged and full of dust. A skilled team comes to restore the machine.
Full structural replacement on the boom.
Agreed, and the hydraulics are still actively leaking. We need to prioritize that.
They start by checking the engine carefully.
It looks like this corroded valve is the source of the leak. We need to replace it.
The engine oil is dirty and very old. The wires are damaged and not safe to use. The hydraulic system has no pressure left. The team decides to fully restore this machine.
Full engine overhaul due to this corrosion.
Okay, I'm documenting the parts needed now.
They carefully lift it for safe transport. The machine is moved to the repair workshop. Now, the real restoration work begins. They start by cleaning off years of dirt. The old tires are removed one by one.
Ropes are tight, coming out slow.
They remove all damaged hydraulic pipes. The heavy boom is carefully taken off. The engine is removed for full repair. Rusty parts are cut out with precision. The damaged cabin is removed completely. All parts are checked and sorted carefully. The gearbox shows serious internal damage.
Pitting is severe here, and we've got significant metallic residue in the oil.
The hydraulic pump is badly worn inside. The mainframe has deep structural cracks.
Schematic shows this area is critical.
We need to confirm the depth before welding.
Every part is now ready for repair. Weld the frame to fix the damage. The surface is smooth for a strong finish. New hydraulic lines are installed carefully. The cylinders are rebuilt with new seals. The engine is rebuilt piece by piece. The gearbox is repaired and aligned again. New wiring brings the system back to life. The cabin is fully restored and cleaned. New controls are installed for safe operation. A base coat is applied to protect the metal. The original color is brought back to life. The machine now looks clean and powerful again. The boom is carefully installed back in place. All parts are now connected and secured. The engine is started for the first time. The engine runs smooth and strong again. The hydraulic system is working perfectly now. The boom lifts with smooth control. The handler locks firmly onto the container. It lifts heavy load with full strength. The machine moves smoothly like new again. It returns to the port where it belongs. It works perfectly in real conditions. The operator has full control again. It looks brand new under the sun. From broken metal to full power again. The team celebrates their hard work.
Job is incredible.
Ready for another 20 years of service.
This machine is alive again, stronger than ever.